gave to 5 different people 5 different disposable cameras, and they had 27 days to capture 27 pictures with their cameras. The person with the most impressive shots and a well-defined story won the competition. Before we get into the pictures of the contestants, let's rewind for a bit. First of all, hi, my name is Tala, and as most of you know, I love taking pictures with my disposable camera. There is something about disposable cameras that I love. It's the fact that I'm able to take raw pictures in the moment without any filters, any Photoshop, any distractions from the outside world, and save them within this disposable camera. Personally, I feel like I am saving a moment in time, a pause in my life, and it's just a memory saved forever. I wanted to offer this opportunity to 5 people out of you guys to document your life on a disposable camera. This is why I created the 27-day, 27-picture competition. Now let me introduce to you the 5 contestants of this challenge.
My name is Asma, graduated last December, and my major is finance, concentration is business analytics.
I'm Clara, I'm in software engineering. And
I'm Mira, I'm a U2 pharmacology student. Thank you Tala for this.
my name is Maria, I go to Mac campus and let's just go.
So I brought my 4 friends. Are going to be judging the competition for today. So how we're going to proceed with the judging? Judge is going to look at the 27 pictures of each disposable camera. They're going to then put a grade, and the disposable with the highest average will win the competition.
We're watching. Oh, they're in Punta Cana. I love all the palm trees. What?
Cool.
No, that's a nice one.
C'est très mignon. Je me sens, je vais marcher les rues.
I gave the first dispo 8 out of 10. I liked the vibes. It was all palmy. They were friends having fun. A few photos were a bit compared to the other one. So I'm gonna say 8 just to see the other disposables. What's the vibe?
So I gave a 6.5. I like the overall setting. I would have preferred to see more diversity.
I'm giving a 6. So the overall vibe is nice and everything. But some pictures I feel like they were wasted and they could have been used way better.
I'm giving this a 7. Give it a 7. Give it a 7. I give it a 7. I really like the pictures. I like the vibe. It's very spring breaky. Looks like they had a lot of fun.
And now it's disposable number 2. Let's check it out.
Cool, j'aime bien.
4 out of 10. Honestly, most of the pictures were either blurry or very dark. I gotta give a couple points because they went to Toronto and they did have fun.
So I'm also giving it a 4. Pictures that didn't turn out so great because of the flash. Pictures that came out were actually good, but it's only like less than half of the pictures.
I gave this one 6 for 2 reasons. First one is lack of diversity. The second one is that I saw some shots that were like very artsy, so it made me put more than the average.
Finally, I put a 5 out of 10. First that turned out good were actually very nice, but most of the disposable was too dark. Okay, so now it's time for the third disposable. my
Dieu.
god! On dirait un green screen! Wow!
Oh mon Dieu!
Oh!
J'adore cette photo.
J'adore.
I give this one a perfect score of 10. Wasn't one picture that was wasted. This is my favorite and that's why it's getting a perfect score.
I'm actually even giving it an 11 out of 10. The moments captured were just like super nice. It was amazing. Like I felt I was with them.
I gave this a 9.5 because... Comment on dit on frôle la
It's
perfection?
almost perfect. For la perfection.
It's almost perfect. Landscape was just out of this world.
I give this disposable a perfect score of a 10 out of 10. Honestly, the photos were amazing. It looked like a green screen in each one of them. Like the scenery was just like... Time for disposable number 4. Let's go.
Moi j'adore.
I give it a 6. I really like it. Student life, room for improvement.
So I give it a 5. The only reason is that I feel like there's no variety at all. Some pictures are extremely nice, but it's just very much the same thing over and over.
Alors contrairement avec quoi j'ai mis la note de 8. Pas du tout.
Français, en français, cette fois. Vraiment, mais
Co-juge. Ici présent. Je me sens danser avec les stars. Moi, avec co-juge, j'ai mis la note de 8 sur 10 parce que je trouve qu'il y a beaucoup de diversité. La personne s'est dévouée à prendre en photo de beaux paysages, mais c'est très stylé.
I rated this a 4 out of 10 just because I think that disposable cameras are made to just capture like specific moments, whereas this is like something that's there all the time. It was nice. These are photos that are worth phone, not dispo vibes. That's a nice photo.
J'aime bien ces paysages. I gave this one a 9. I really liked that it was really wholesome, all the friends. They also went on vacation, so I really like this one.
So for me, I gave it an 8.5. It's my favorite so far. The pictures are again super wholesome. It's just some pictures were wasted because they failed, the lighting, etc. But ones that were successful were super nice.
Moi je donne la note de 7,5. Mais le fait que c'est pas toujours les mêmes personnes qui sont prises en photo et que c'est dans différents paysages.
I gave them a 7 out of 10. I love the disposable. The only reason they lost a few points was because some of them were a bit failed with the lighting and the flash.
So the winner is actually Maria Dahdah with 10 Congrats Maria, you're the winner of the 27-day, 27-picture competition. I have also a runner-up and it's gonna be the People's Choice Award. You're gonna help us choose the best picture out of the 4 other disposable cameras.
So we're each gonna choose our favorite picture from one of the disposables, and then you're gonna be able to vote and choose which one should win
Out of the
second prize.
4 that we chose. Let's go.
So please vote. The competition winner is gonna win one of those books. So basically you're gonna have all of your disposable pictures printed inside of this book.
And for the other prize, which is the runner-up, they're gonna get their picture that you guys chose in a frame. So thank you guys for watching!
If you like this video, like and subscribe!
Encore putain d'applaudissements.
Start.